Okay, so the next type of task is the classical task, or just task, like this. Let's go with this one with the 4e. So the idea is to create a program from scratch. You're not given any code, everything is blank, and you have to write everything, the classes, the attributes, and so on. So in here we have to create two classes, class song and the class test song. So let's first create the class song. You're actually given two empty files. They do not contain any code, and you have to write the code there. So class song, and now curly brackets, and now we write the attributes. So the first attribute is title and the second is author. Both are strings. And this should actually be it. This should be the first class. Okay, so let's now move to the second one, to the test song. We should create a class named test song. So class test song, and then it should have a main method. So public static void main string angular brackets args, which is short for arguments, and then the curly brackets for the method body. And now we have to create one object of the song class. So song as new song. We have to set the title of the song to White Wedding, and the author is Billy Idol. Okay, and now we have to print out both the title and the song and the author. So the title should be on the first line, printed on the first line, and the author on the second line. So okay, so I believe that this should be right now. This should be correct. Let's run it first in our main method. Let's run the main method actually. So okay, the output looks okay. White Wedding, Billy Idol. I will minimize this now, and let's check the task. Now we're running the tests, and that's all correct. I can also pick the solution, and basically these solutions are almost identical. Now I see the solution for the test song class, and if I want to see the solution for the song class, I have to be looking at the song class in the editor, and then click on the pick solution. And now actually you can see that this is also almost identical. There is a one blank space here more than there is here, but other than that everything is identical. Okay, so these are the classical tasks, and as always, if it's a bit more complex, you may find a hint in the task text.